Chris here with High Seas Cruising, back again with another episode of What Cruisers Want. So let's take a look at what we have for you guys this week. Like I said, feel free to comment below whether you agree or disagree with what these cruisers want. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's a bad idea? Do you think it's a wackadoodle idea? And of course, like always, I will give my response as well. But let's jump right in with the first one. It is time for Carnival to ditch the early, late options and let people eat with their friends and their own family only. It should be anytime dining for the whole ship for all of the passengers. Not 100% sure really what the point of this one necessarily is. Cruise ships already have anytime dining. It's an option you can select. But there are folks that like the early seating. There are folks that like the late seating. Why take away their options for an option that you already have? Like I said, not sure how this makes 100% sense, at least not to me. You guys let me know below. Do you prefer early dining? Do you prefer late dining? Do you prefer anytime dining? Or even a fourth option of, I don't eat in the main dining room? Let me know what y'all think. Can you tell us why Carnival stopped stocking the mini bars in the rooms? We used to have soda, water, beer, miniatures, etc. Not having this makes having the refrigerators in the rooms pointless. Nobody uses them. We need the mini bars fully stocked again. I think using the word nobody uses them is kind of a really big stretch in that particular statement, because I know I use it. I guess I'm a nobody? I don't know. But we use the refrigerator in our room. We put our own drinks in it. A lot of people in the comments say they use the refrigerator to put their own drinks in it. Now, the response from Carnival on this is that the majority of the time, the items in the mini fridges, when they did stock them, never got used. Or people would take the items out of the fridge in order to make room for their own things. So, kind of sounds like to me that people are using the refrigerator. I know I use the refrigerator. You can take drinks with you on board cruise ship. A lot of times you can pre-order drinks to have waiting for you in your stateroom when you get to your cruise cabin that I assume people would put in the refrigerator. At least that's what we do. Tiffany likes to have her water. I like to order maybe some soda or some energy drinks. They go in the refrigerator. So personally, I have no interest in a minibar coming back into the room. Some people might. Let me know in the comments below. Minibar yes, minibar no. Do you use the refrigerator in your cabin? And finally, we have one more, and this one concerns watching TV in your cruise cabin. Okay. Particularly watching the news in your cruise cabin. I know we are on a cruise. Why should we watch TV? Well, I do. And so do most of the people that I speak to who cruise with Carnival. We all agree that not having CNN or MSNBC news stations available makes cruising with Carnival less attractive. First off, the news channels you have is outdated and has the same stories over and over unless something is added, or Fox, which I don't even consider a real news station. You will lose so much business. There is a war in the Ukraine and the world is watching unless you are on a Carnival cruise. If it is, as you replied to the OP John Heald, a case of there being a large fee to broadcast, just add $20 or whatever onto the cruise fare. Listen to what your passengers want. We want our news channels back. So, according to this passenger, and everybody wants it, and Carnival's going to lose business if they don't do it, they want the cruise fare increased in order to have news channels added to the TVs in your stateroom. What do y'all think? Is watching the news so important that you want those channels added to your TV? You want your cruise fare raised just for that particular reason? Again, you guys are going to have to let me know in the comments whether you agree or whether or not you disagree. Now me, if I really want to know what's happening in the news, I can use my phone, I get the internet package, and I can see what's actually going on. And I know not everybody gets the internet package. I know not everybody has a smartphone. And I do know that when we go into our cruise cabin, at the end of the day, when we're taking showers, getting ready to go to bed, we'll flip on the TV just to find, something to watch while we're winding down the day. So I do use it a little bit. I'm sure there are people that use it plenty. Not judging if you watch TV on your cruise or if you don't watch TV on your cruise. Hey, you cruise, you do you, like always. The question is though, should Carnival add more channels and should your cruise fare be increased in order for them to do that if it's a cost issue? Again, let me know what you guys think below. All right, and that's our 3 cruise stories for this week for what cruisers want. So if you happen to come across any good cruise comments like this, anybody who writes in and has any special requests, crazy requests, anything that kind of makes your head scratch, hey, feel free to send them to me either on Facebook. You can send them to my email account. Links are below for access to both of those in case you want to do that. And then we'll, of course, share them here on the show with everybody. That way we can all comment, give our opinion, and see, is it really everybody wants this? Everybody demands this, and you will lose business if you don't change this immediately. Is it really like this? Or is this just one cruiser's opinion and just what one cruiser wants? All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor. Like always, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.